Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for 29th of May. And here we are. What's SLP guys doing right now? So SLP might be reversing up a little bit, and it's already back to the ranges. Okay, it's already back to the range, and it's looking to probably come back and invalidate the three black cross. And what I'm expecting for SLP now is that you have clearly broken the downtrend. Do you see that? You have broken the downtrend. Not only have you broken the downtrend, but you're actually doing something really amazing here. So I'm gonna go back into the charts in the 4-hour time frame. That's what I need to draw. So let's go back into the 4-hour time frame here. And look at this, guys. Look at this. You are making some very nice good bullish statement, and not only that, you're putting in a morning star. So basically I'm expecting SLP to go back here to 578 or 577, and that's going to be a lovely pump to the upside, like a 10-11% upside. So basically this is really amazing, because this is the trend line that I was talking about. This is the resistance that I was talking about, and look how you beautifully retested everything, went to the upside, broke it, came back, made a inverted hammers or a spinning top here, and now you're looking to go back to this resistance at the 578. So I don't expect any dumps to the downside. And watch the Bitcoin update today. I might I think Bitcoin is looking to go to $35,000, and in this case you're not going to see SLP drop into the downside as well. And that's it for today's update, guys. A very quick one, just for you. Super busy with so many things these days. And if you like to join our Discord for free, do check it out and join. This is the link to the Discord, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.